Third one.
Third one.
Come on, let's go. Guys, get a wall going. Get a wall, we need somebody right over here.
Got it.
Alright?
Yep, got it.
Jesus Christ, I ball shot you in the fucking head.
I wouldn't have blamed you.
Alright. Three. Perfect.
5-3.
That's right, we're going back up and out.
Okay, guys, back to the way we came.
This way.
You guys got our HVT.
Go away.
I gotta take this shirt on, that's too small. Either way, you guys got a rear guard?
Yeah, there's somebody watching.
Our targets in between us here?
Not that we encountered on the way down, it should be
No,
clear.
our targets, our HVTs with us?
Yes,
Yeah.
right here, right behind me. Alright, let's put them in the middle of this.
Good job. Going upstairs to that next level.
You guys take contact, yell it out loud.
Keep back the HVTs, I'm joining my squad on the way.
If we need, we'll rush them out the back.
Go.
Say again?
Come on, we're good. Package to you. Dude, love you, buddy. Love you too.
Hey, dude, correct.
Okay, when we get across the hall, we're running.
Yep.
Ready? We're good. Hold on. Hey, guys, form a wall. Form a wall.
Form a wall, what is this?
Form a rings. What was that?
Form a wall, what is this? Lord of the Rings?
Well, maybe.
9 minutes left for the scenario.
Guys, we got 9 minutes. We gotta go.
We got 9 minutes, haul ass.
Let's go. Hey, lab coat, let's go. We're jogging. We got 9 minutes. Yep. Do I gotta hold you to jog? Come on, let's go. Let's see what you got for it.
I got you. All right, guys.
Contact!
Contact! Wrap around.
Contact! Load it! Guys, 2 more!
Hey, those guys right there, Dad.
Keep going! 8 minutes!
Guys on the corner! Guys on the corner! Come on, guys, play ball.
We need support! They got a whole squad over here!
Watch it.
Guys, come on! Okay. Want to go catch up to them? Yeah. Here, Jack, I got rear security. Yo, when you guys come around this corner, watch the doorway. Is that tan in the parking lot?
Up there, the woods. Right there in the woods, straight ahead. Hey, come over here. You guys stay right here, I'll be right back.
Jack. One's down. Oh shit, come on.
Jordan,
Yeah.
where you at?
You're two. Jack, we got guys 2 and 1.
All right, back in it. Hit.
Tan or green?
Hit.
Okay. Guys, push up! Okay. Oh, hit! Fuck. One shot. Oh, where's my death rag? Medic! Either of you a medic?
Hey, you dead?
Yeah, they're dead. They're dead.
We gotta go.
Medic!
Keep moving. Target down.
One of you guys come medic me.
What's your right? Right there. Right in front of you. He's beating my knees. Hurry up.
Dude, medic me.
I'm not a medic.
Fuck.
He's got Fred. He's got Fred. Hit.
Medic!
Yeah, I'm good. Keep moving up. I'll be behind you in a second. Push down the wall.
Come on!
I am a real medic.
Come down here, quick!
Keep moving, guys. Push up. Push up.
Quick, come down here!
1 minute.
Come medic me, quick! Come on! I know! Where are we going? Back to her. Bucket hat, blue hair. Oh! I know her. Brought you another friend.
Right, they really need us to get them in because we got 2 minutes left.
Thank you.
Hey,
30 seconds!
sweep around the corner, sweep around the corner. Push it out wide. Take your angle. Hey, on your left.
Oh, hit!
Oh, behind you, man.
So close.